Malaysian website Malaysiakini has raised over $120,000 in donations after it was fined for contempt of court. The country's highest court had taken the news site to task for reader comments that criticised the judiciary. The verdict has raised concerns over media freedoms in the country. Melissa Goh reports.
Now, in a landmark decision that rocks the online media, the federal court's 7-member panel, in a majority 6-1 decision, ruled that news portal Malaysiakini is guilty of contempt of court, effectively holding Malaysiakini responsible for any comments posted by its readers or subscribers, regardless whether it has knowledge or not. Now, Malaysiakini was deemed to have published those comments posted by third parties last year that admittedly were offensive and disrespectful towards the judiciary, although the editorial team had quickly removed them and issued an apology a few days later after they found out that they were being investigated by the police. It's no excuse, the court held. The news portal should have known better, and by allowing them to be published, they had tarnished the integrity of the judicial system. Now, for that, the highest court slapped Malaysiakini a hefty fine of $500,000 ringgit, and that's $120,000 US. Now, although the editor-in-chief, Stephen Gunn, was found not guilty of contempt of court, he was nevertheless disappointed, he said, by the court decision.
The decision flies in the face of the fast-changing new media landscape in this country. It will have tremendous, chilling effect on discussion of on issues of public interest. The fine, the hefty fine that has been put against us, it's really an attempt to perhaps, not just punish us, but also to shut us down.
The federal court's verdict has drawn concerns from high commissioners from UK, Canada to the United States on media freedom in the country. Now, while some NGOs, including the Centre of Independent Journalism, worried that this will put unnecessary pressure or burden on online media and curtail freedom of expression. Now, Malaysiakini's website was switched to dark mode moments after the verdict was out. Now, this as it sought public donation to raise money to pay the fine by Wednesday. Now, the $500,000 ringgit penalty, which was more than double the amount the Attorney General asked for, has raised many eyebrows.
I don't think it is fair to fine the Malaysiakini for such amount of sum. But it's too high because it is not totally wrong for the Malaysiakini.
I think your one judgment doesn't mean it's end all. It's not end of the story. I think people will push the boundaries because I think many people have nothing to lose anymore.
Now, with a big thank you on its website, Malaysiakini has raised over $500,000 ringgit from both the subscribers and the public in less than half a day, more than enough to cover the fine as well as other expenses. Melissa Goh, CNA, Kuala Lumpur.